Alien.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
They said it was a French Navy. I know. I'm like, we gotta go see it. We saw it at the window. Like, you gotta get up. It looks like a private jet. Not even like it's got like a Air Force Navy.
Yes. That's what I thought too.
So fast.
Back again.
They're gonna do a couple more? Did they say what side they're gonna do it? They said a couple of flybys, right? Oh, there it is. There it is. It's coming.
Oh, there you go. I know. I left my phone.
So close.
That scared the shit out of me.
I was not expecting it to be that.
Yeah, he's gonna do a couple of flybys, I think. Yeah, he's gonna come up. I think he's gonna do one more this way.
Circle one again?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's coming back around. He's over there.
He's from France? He said the French.
Oh, he's gonna go on that side now. Oh, he's gone.
It was so chick-fil-A this guy.
Excuse me? Oh, sorry. Sorry, miss.
These CBs, the captain's like, oh, I'll give you
He's coming this way. No, that's gonna take too long. You almost busted your ass over there. I think he's gonna do the last one this way. Is he gone? Yeah, he's gone. You got it though, right?
Not the first one.
Yeah, no, the first one was good.
Huh?
Huh?